Now in this video we will see about bearing of hook. Now here in this assembly diagram we know that this is the part of a hook. Now this hook we are going to mount it on one more part which is called as a cross piece, and in that cross piece we are going to attach this hook with the help of thrust bearing. The word is thrust bearing. Now why do we need thrust bearing over there? We know the load, we are going to lift it in the upward direction. Now at that time the reaction force will be here, that will be downward. Now for that we don't need any ball bearing, or what we can say deep groove ball bearings. Those are used for higher RPMs, because in this case there is no higher RPM. It will be maximum 10 to 12 RPMs, 10 to 12 revolutions per minute of this hook. Now why do we need it? Now suppose the load whatever we are lifting it is rotating, or it is rotating because of air, or it is rotating because of gravity or its shape and all. So at that time the hook should also move with it, and for that moving we should have the bearing, and that is thrust bearing, which is capable of taking that load. So that is why we have this thrust bearing part over here for hook. Now this hook, it rotates with the help of a thrust bearing. Similarly, it takes some angular motion with the help of cross piece. Thank you.